This is like a huge presentation. I've never done anything like this.
Every year we bring in a live client, a real life client. This year it's Liberté, which is a yogurt company under the brand of General Mills.
To come up with a marketing plan for Liberté, we've definitely had to be creative, figuring out placement strategies, pricing and promotions.
How can they kind of increase awareness, sales, retention, and engagement?
They wanted to see 30% year-over-year growth and many other things. They want to kind of redirect their target market.
Pretty much we have to do everything from ads, we could put on big events, to, it really has no limitations.
I am really nervous for tonight. It's one thing to present to your classroom and professor, but this is open to the entire school, and there's going to be judges judging us.
If we win, we're given the opportunity to present to General Mills, and that to me is just mind-blowing.
We feel the pressure of, I have to put together a plan that is worthy of people who actually know this brand and who may consider using it. Again, just that experience of this is real versus a feeling of, oh, I'm just making it up as I go.
Other marketing classes and business programs, you learn from a textbook and you take exams, and maybe you learn probably the same content that we learned this year in marketing class, but really unique. I don't know any of my friends at different universities who are able to actually pitch a marketing plan to a huge company such as General Mills.
You know, it doesn't really leave margin to just slack off or just pretend that it's a normal business class.
You know, I know that it's not going to be an easy competition. I'm feeling excited, ready to compete and see what happens.
This is the key with stress. Stress can either crumble you or it can make you better. You never want to hope or pray that stress goes away. Our two finalists. Finalist number 1, Borough Marketing. Finalist number 2, Charity Loser.
It's beyond belief. I almost started crying.
That's absolutely crazy, absolutely wild.
I'm glad to have had such an awesome team.
So we get to go to General Mills and present!
Kind of remembering the moment when we were up on stage, and I was looking at my team members and they were just presenting, and I was like, y'all are killing the game, you know? And we really did build a family throughout the semester, and it's really just watching them and seeing their heart pour out. And I think what I'm most excited about is seeing that happen all over again.
This is the building where all of marketing sits. So every division has their own floor. Yeah, it's a very pretty view.
So based on our research, the target market that most aligns with Liberté is a group called the Connected Bohemians.
Our first proposal is biodegradable packaging.
Where it's made, how it was made, how it looks in or on packaging.
We would like to partner with RI to get on this blog.
Really inspired all of us today. It really should have been the other way around.
Great job. Yeah, it was great training.
Your consumer-facing language just went to the standard. You guys nailed it. I'm super excited to see what you guys go on to do after you finish college, because you're all super talented.
Yeah.
So,
Thanks so much.
thanks guys.
I think it was really refreshing to know that all of our ideas were valid, and they tried launching one of our ideas 2 years ago.
We would like to thank General Mills for inviting both teams, and we really enjoyed our time here and really learned a lot throughout this process.
We did it, Mom.
You did it, Mom.
We did it. All right.